So you came down on orders to good old Fort Hood. Whew, I'm praying for you. I'm sorry. God be with you. Whoever you praise, Buddha, Allah, Gandhi. I think I low-key cry if I ever go to Fort Hood. I think I will. It's a 99% chance if I leave here and find out I have orders to Korea. Not Korea, Fort Hood. I'm gonna cry. Just tears coming down, okay? Cry. It's not worth it, y'all. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's your girl Simply Cass, and today is a new day. Today we're going to talk about my experience at Fort Hood, Texas. Yes, I know this video is super overdue, but I'm now trying out all these videos that you guys been asking. I'm finally like kind of settled into Korea, so I'm able to record videos now. Excuse the lighting situation. I don't have all my lights here in Korea. I left them in storage. I only got my ring light, but we're gonna make some shake, okay? Please don't make me repeat myself. Please watch the whole video. Watch the whole video before you ask questions, okay? Before I get started, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button right now. It's right down there, and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I post a military video, fashion video, all type of videos. Let's stop talking and let's get this video started. I'm trying to like remember everything because I got to Fort Hood back in 2014, January 2014. So that's like well over 4 years ago, okay? So it's kind of hard for me to remember everything that happened from 2014 to 2018. It's kind of hard, okay? But I'm gonna try my best. So I was stationed at Fort Hood, Texas in the 11th Signal Brigade. So I was in 57th ESB, which is one of the battalions in 11th Signal Brigade for majority of my time. When I first got there, my company, 1610 TIN, was attached to brigade. And then my deployment, I went on in 2015. We were then moved to one of the battalions, which is 57. So just to clarify what I was, and to clarify what my MOS is, I am a 25 Lima, y'all. 25 Lima. Cable dog. Networking, installation. It's not that hard of a job. Anyways, the post. Let's talk about the post. The post is freaking huge, y'all. Fort Hood is one of the largest military installations, period. I think I'm second to brag. I'm not sure, really not sure, but there's 3 sections of Fort Hood. So you have main post, is where most of the units are at, which is my unit. It's on main post. Then you have West Fort Hood, which is like it's like a 5-minute difference. Like it's like 2 exits down from main post. So, and that's where the airfield and stuff is at. And then you have North Fort Hood. Now North Fort Hood is about 45 minutes away driving. Okay, I've been there a few times when I was working at the NEC, which is the Network Center on post with the civilians. I was detached there working there. It's not much out there, but there are some units out there. I'm sorry that y'all units out there because there's nothing out there. Okay, Fort Hood has a huge PX. I think it was finished in 2016. So it has like a huge food court, all your favorite foods, I guess. I do miss the hibachi Japanese restaurant, and then I miss the Mac. They do have a Chipotle at the PX also, so everybody loves Chipotle. So that PX is like a mall basically. There are plenty of gyms on post. They're decent. I don't think there is a 24-hour gym on post like here. I don't think they have one, or they probably could have made it. I don't know. I doubt that they have a 24-hour gym. But when I was there, we did not have a 24-hour gym. I lived right across the street from a gym, and then like literally 2 minutes from my barracks was another gym that I used to go to. So gyms are like closed on post. Barracks. So people ask me about the barracks. Make sure you go watch my barracks room tour. It will be up here or wherever up here on the screen. Click that. That is super old, but it kind of gives you an estimate of what some of the barracks look like. Not all the barracks at Fort Hood look like that, but the majority of the newer barracks are looking like that. Okay, what's around? What is there to do around Fort Hood? So Fort Hood is centered around all the major cities in Texas, literally. Basically all the major cities. We are smack dab in the middle of Texas. So we got Austin, that's an hour, like 45 minutes to an hour away, which is where 6th Street is located, party town, college town, weird food, like a lot of people South by Southwest. Austin is a famous town. If you haven't been there, I recommend you to go to Austin because it's quick and it's fun. There's a lot of stuff you can possibly do in Austin. Past Austin is San Antonio. So if you keep going farther out, San Antonio. I love San Antonio. I've been there like maybe 4 or 5 times. My time there doing like 4 days. One club that I recommend you to go to is Club Lush. It's like a rooftop club. I've been there plenty of times when I went to San Antonio for people's birthdays and whatnot, and I enjoyed it. In San Antonio, you do have, is it Six Flags or SeaWorld? It's SeaWorld or Six Flags. It could be both, but I know it's a SeaWorld in San Antonio. You got the Riverwalk in San Antonio. Like, San Antonio has a lot to do, so check that out. In between Austin and San Antonio is New Braunfels. I recommend in the summer to go tubing. I went tubing one summer with a group of my friends, and it was amazing. Even though we were the only black people out there, but the white people out there were super nice to us, so I had fun. A lot of people don't like tubing, but your girl here loved it. Houston is like 3.5 hours away from Fort Hood. Oh my god, I went to Houston one time for my best friend's birthday. This was like 2016 when we came back from deployment. We went out there for a 4-day. We had so much fun in Houston. So what did we do? We did a lot in Houston. It's a lot to do. Gucci Mane was there. I wanted to see him, but we didn't get a chance to go see his concert. We went to V Live. I've never been to a strip club, and I don't think I'll ever go back because that's just not my thing. But we went to a well-known place called V Live. What else? Club shopping, Galleria malls. You know, Houston is lit, like legit lit. Now we're gonna talk about Dallas. Dallas is my favorite city in Texas. Like, it's just more me, more my vibes and stuff like that. I've been to Dallas multiple times. What year did I go? 2017. I went to Dallas for my birthday and we had so much fun. Go to the club called Lotus. That's where I had my birthday at. That club was lit. And only reason I love that club because it was centered around my favorite theme, which is lotus flowers and Buddha. So that place was super lit. So go check out Lotus. What else do they have there? I think they have a water park there also. It's a lot to do. And then I saw Potty Next Door in Dallas. I just love Dallas. Like, honestly, like, if I had to move somewhere in Texas, it would be Dallas. It's more me. There is an outlet mall in Texas called San Marcos. It's just like a Tanger. I think it's a Tanger outlet. So if you like going outlet shopping, there is also an outlet mall that's closer to Fort Hood. It's in between Austin and Fort Hood, like literally 30 minutes away from us, and it's called, I forgot what it's called, but it's an outlet mall 30 minutes away from Fort Hood. So let's talk about the pros. Actually, let's start about the cons of Fort Hood. The actual town, Fort Hood, is around clean, ratchet. Okay, clean is so ratchet to me. Okay, it is a military town. I think almost every military town I've been to has been ratchet, but clean is ratchet. You can get in trouble there. A lot of people get in trouble in clean, but it is what it is. Bad thing about Texas is it's freakishly huge, right? Like, so if you're trying to go to Oklahoma, it took us a good 4.5 hours just to get to Oklahoma. When I drove from Texas to South Carolina, it took 4 hours to get out of Texas, literally to Louisiana. Like, Texas is big for no reason. And to go to the beach, that'll be a vlog coming up really soon. That took 4 hours to get to Corpus Christi. So go to Corpus Christi if you like Selena and the beach and stuff like that. It's a fun place. What else can I say? The units. So the units aren't the best, personally. Would I go back to Fort Hood? Yeah, because I'm so used to it and it's just like a lot of stuff to do. That's about it. But if I wasn't, I wouldn't go back to Fort Hood. I mean, it's a lot of stuff to do. It's very diverse, but you also get in trouble. I liked it, but I think I just got used to it and super complacent, and it was my time to finally leave Fort Hood. Do not be in Fort Hood longer than 3 years, y'all. Get out, because all your friends gonna leave before you and you ain't gonna have nothing to do, and it's gonna get real boring. Of course, I know. But let's talk about the pros of being at Fort Hood. So Fort Hood is centrally located, like I said before. Everything's around you. Like, they're always building stuff. It's like a million Walmarts at Fort Hood. What else? The airport is 15 minutes away from Post. Not even that. There's multiple Chick-fil-A's. If you guys know, I love Chick-fil-A. So if Chick-fil-A and Colleen watching this, shout out to y'all, because y'all used to get more money every Monday and Saturday. What else? The mall sucks in Colleen, so don't shop at the mall. okay? It sucks to me. There's nothing there for me at all. Texas is a tax-free state, so if you change your residency, your home of address to Texas, you don't have to pay state taxes. Just throwing that out there. Fort Hood. Let's get more into Fort Hood. Fort Hood isn't that bad. It's really what you make it, honestly. Like, I was able to go to plenty of schools like Fort Hood. They have an amazing education center. Like, it's big, but like, you got more opportunities, I would say, depending on your unit. With my unit and my company, it's a little easier for me to get schools, such as like, they would send me random classes just to get away from work. Like, I went to school for freaking supply. I'm not a supply. I'm not, what is it, a 92 Yankee? Just to go, I went to Unit Total Fitness or Commander Fitness to learn about PT and like how to correctly do PT. Like, what else? I went to so many random classes, really, that has nothing to do with my MOS, but it was there. So take advantage of all that they have there to offer. There is a college off post, there's a college on post, which I go to Central Texas College. That's an easy college. Like, if you fail up that college, I'm judging you. Just kidding. But that is a super easy college, and they work with you because they know you're military. I'm trying to keep this video very short and simple. I don't know what else. Oh yeah, Fort Hood is known for deployment. So if you go to either 1st Cav, for real, 1st Cav, they deploy. 11th Signal, they deploy. What else? Like, Fort Hood is known for deployments. There is airsoft there. Airsoft, whatever the freak it's called. I didn't do that. I almost forgot. There is a club in Killeen called Taboo. Why did I forget about this? I don't know. But if you are a person that likes to go out, drink a little, have a little fun with your friends, and want to stay close by, the largest club there is called Taboo. Boom. It's ratchet, but if you're looking for a good time in the town of Killeen, boom, it's right there. It's like literally 5 minutes away from both. Be cautious about Taboo. There are other clubs, but that is the well-known local club. Like, I went there and I saw NBA Young Boy, or whatever, Young Boy NBA, whatever his name is. I seen him there. I saw Key Glock in concert. I think those, I forgot who else I seen there. Jacquees did come, Cardi B did come. Who else? Like, a lot of people came to that one club in the span of 2018, 2017. Like, they got all the big stars there, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna continue getting all the huge stars. I was hoping they was gonna get Lil Baby and Young Money Bag Yo there before I left, but it's okay. Okay, it's okay. But yeah, if you want to see stuff like that, like, that's the place to go. They do charge money, but I mean, a lot of people from around Texas come to that club because it's known. It's one of those known ratchet clubs. There are other clubs. You got if you like Spanish music and you're Hispanic, or you just like salsa and stuff like that, there's a club called La Boom. I went there one time. My friends, salsa is not for me. Cha-cha, all that. That's for y'all. I can't get with it. I just can't. I have fun here. What else? There is a country. There's a lot of country clubs because, you know, it's Texas. I learned how to line dance in Texas, so what is that country club called? I've been there multiple times. Whatever. There are hookah spots there. I've been to a few hookah spots. I don't personally do hookah, but all my other friends do it, so I'm just there because I don't want to be the barracks. There's a lot to do in Killeen, around Killeen, in Texas in general. So enjoy it. If you are getting stationed there, enjoy it. You'll love it. You probably won't love it until you leave. Literally, like, people will miss Texas once they're gone. That's how I feel right now, being here in Korea. Like, this isn't for me. I miss my car. I miss my freedom. But it's okay. I'll be back in November. Comment down below if you have any other questions about Fort Hood that I did not cover in this video. Yeah, make sure you like this video. Hit that subscribe button, y'all. Y'all like my accent? Hit that subscribe button right now so you'll be notified. And follow me on all my social media handles and accounts. And yeah, see you next time. Bye. Cause I'm icy, wifey. Haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey.